Hello, glad to see that you're interested in learning advanced Excel, enhance your knowledge and accelerate your career. In Intellisoft Advanced Excel training, we cover the most useful and important features of Microsoft Excel like pivot tables and pivot charts to summarize large amount of data quickly. Advanced functions like Vlookup, HLOOKUP, SumIF, CountIF, logical functions, date functions, text functions, as well as macros to automate routine tasks. How to work with multiple worksheets and workbooks to consolidate information easily. Plus, advanced charting techniques to visualize data quickly for faster decision making. Our training is extremely practical and we believe in learning by doing it yourself. Ask questions and clear doubts. So, in our Advanced Excel workshop, you'd be learning the techniques by trying them out yourself using exercise files prepared for you. We provide a dedicated computer for you to practice during the training. It is preloaded with Microsoft Excel. All our trainers are domain experts, Microsoft certified, and possess years of experience. Above all, they are extremely passionate about sharing their experience, tips and tricks for your benefit. The Intellisoft Advanced Excel workshop is a short 2-day workshop. It's practical, step-by-step, full of exercise so that you learn the key essential advanced Excel skills without wasting any time. Become an expert at creating charts for data visualization, using pivot tables to summarize information, using lookup functions to look up prices, product descriptions, and much more. You can use the government funding, apply for SDF, or use individual skills future if applicable. So what are you waiting for? Get started now. Convenient weekday and weekend classes available. Simply sign up on the dates listed on our website. If you need the detailed course brochures or quotations, contact us at training@intellisoft.com.sg or call us at 6296 2995. See you soon at Intellisoft.